Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to connect your Instagram profile to TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you can see you are provided with 5 icons: the home icon, the now icon, the plus icon, which is used to create and post videos on TikTok, your inbox, and then your profile icon. Here you click on your profile, and then you click on edit profile, which is just below your profile picture. After that, you scroll down to social section, and then you click on Instagram. After clicking on Instagram, you log into your Instagram account by providing your username, your phone number, or your email address, and then you type in your password. So I'll be providing my info. After typing in your information, you click on login, and then your Instagram profile will be connected to your TikTok account. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.